what I mean? I do like a full song.
But he's
I
not.
like that.
Yeah, that's it. That sells it.
All pure Finster. Every bit of that one.
That there where I put that camera, yeah, that video looks sick, mate, honestly.
Put it on your thing, man.
On YouTube.
Put it on out. Just put it on.
Well, I've got them on thingy.
Put the Paul's there, yeah?
No, I will.
Looks like a song putting on Facebook behind it as well, wouldn't it? Yeah, like something like Bad Boys song.
Yeah.
Where you go,
I can do all that, don't you worry about that. I'll do it all on YouTube and then send you the, listen, I've got TikTok a lot, mate. I'm going to change my TikTok into a bird TikTok. No one gets them, no one's got them. No problem, lads, and that. You know, like, TikTok, yeah, it's a weird thing because it's all
This is
people.
out there, man. Who does? The missus out there.
Yeah. Just got it now. I don't have any other social media or that.
You know how much I refused for in here the other day? 800 quid. Right, and I put him on price, and if you said to me now, I'll give you it, Rocky, I won't take it, because I don't want to sell it. I actually £1,200 for it. It might not be worth 100 quid to someone. It's not the money.
It's not about the money. Ever.
My dad said, what do you need all the birds for?
How many of you now? How many of them have gone like that?
See, the two different birds in and that bird in there. You know the other deal? The two different birds. He'll give you that all day, man. We could sit here all this one day and he won't